I think you're asking a question about our inherent interdependence and relationality and how we think about what's ours and what isn't ours and what's in our control and what isn't and who or what is really meeting the needs. And the metaphor that comes to me is like, if I'm sitting in my house and I feel kind of damp and cold and a little bit chilly, and I noticed a longing that arises in me to warm up and dry out. And I think if I could just go, the strategy that I'm imagining is I'll go sit in the sun. And so I go outside and I lie down in the grass and I bask in the sun, and it warms up my body and it dries up the dampness, and I feel this sense of well-being from lying in the sun. Who met that need? Did the sun meet that need or did I meet that need? I think that's a little bit of what you're asking. But the sun was available the whole time. Had I chosen to stay in the house, the sun would not have been given the opportunity to meet my need. So I am an active co-creator in what I make myself available for or not, and what strategies I seek out or not, or what things I invite to meet my need or not. Choose the sun. Choose the sun when you're cold. Go take an ice bath when you're overheating. But we are not able to magically generate it for ourselves. We live interconnected with our environment. And the essential question is, what is my relationship with my environment? What is my relationship with other people? And also, in a domination system, we would see the sun and see the warmth, and we would begin thinking, how can I exploit this for my own selfish means? In a relationship system, we see the sunshine as abundant and for everyone, and not to be used or exploited for selfish means, but to enjoy the abundance of its availability for anyone who needs it when they need it. It is a different relationship with life. We're not seeing the sun as an object that we're now going to try to control, harness, monetize, put behind a paywall, only make available to those who have money to give us. Like, we're not going to use the world in that way. We're going to be in love with the world in this frame. In a relational frame, we relate with the world and we understand the inherent goodness that we are actually embedded in. And when we become afraid, we want to have it just for us and nobody else. We get worried that there won't be enough sunshine for everyone. And so we want to hoard it or control it or hide it, or right. And as a metaphor, this is a lot of the struggle and suffering that we're all grappling with in some of the structures we've been raised in.